Ever wondered how AI could create a video that's not just a few seconds long, but a full minute, with every frame seamless, no jarring jumps and visuals that stay sharp? That's the holy grail of ultra-long video generation, and today we're diving into a game-changing breakthrough called LongVie. Let's break down how it works, and why it's a big deal for creators and AI enthusiasts alike. Right now, most AI video tools hit a wall when you ask for long clips. Why? Two main problems: temporal inconsistency, like a movie where the scene suddenly jumps or flickers between clips, and visual degradation, where the more you generate, the blurrier and lower quality it gets. It's like trying to copy a photo over and over, and each time it loses a bit of clarity. So how does LongVie fix this? Let's unpack its clever tricks. First up, unified noise initialization. Think of it like giving the AI a consistent, starting mood. Instead of random noise messing up each frame, LongVie uses the same seed across all clips. It's like drawing a continuous line instead of jumping between dots. Smooth motion, no jitters. Then there's global control, signal normalization. Imagine you're guiding a robot with maps. If each map is scaled differently, the robot gets lost. LongVie ensures all your guidance, like depth maps or key points, is scaled consistently so the video stays coherent. But here's the real genius: multi-modal control. Instead of relying on just one type of guidance, LongVie combines dense signals, like detailed depth maps, with sparse ones like tracked keypoints. It's like using both a GPS and a roadmap. Each complements the other, avoiding the pitfalls of a single source. And to keep quality high, they use a degradation-aware training strategy. It's like a quality check that adapts over time, balancing signals to prevent errors from piling up. To test this, the team created LongVGenBench, a dataset of 100 high-quality, one-minute videos across real and virtual worlds. The results? LongVie outperformed existing methods in consistency and clarity, proving it's the best tool yet for long, controllable videos. So what does this mean for creators? It means longer, smoother, more reliable AI videos, opening doors for storytelling, simulations, and more. If you're curious about how AI is shaping the future of media, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what kind of long video would you love to see AI create? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the science behind the tech that's changing how we create, learn, and imagine. The future of video is here, and it's smoother than ever. But here's where things get even wilder. Ever wonder how AI can create videos so realistic? It's like watching a movie made by a robot. Let's break down the magic, starting with a tiny, tricky problem: making a fox's tail wag naturally for 60 seconds. Sounds simple, right? But for AI, it's like solving a puzzle with millions of moving pieces. Every frame has to match the previous one, the physics have to feel real, and the tail's motion needs to look alive. This is where AI's real superpower shines, learning from tiny, complex challenges. By mastering details like a fox's tail, researchers teach machines to understand movement, lighting, and even emotion. It's not just about creating images, it's about teaching AI to tell a story frame by frame. But here's where it gets even cooler. Back in 2018, scientists cracked another code: stereo magnification. Think of it like this: if you take a photo of a room, how do you make it feel like you're stepping inside? Stereo magnification lets AI generate new views of a scene from existing images, making 3D effects pop with lifelike depth. It's the tech behind those jaw-dropping 3D movies and games that make you feel like you're in the action. The breakthrough: instead of just copying what's already there, AI learns the rules of space and perspective. It's like giving a robot a pair of eyes and teaching it to see the world in 3 dimensions. And this isn't just for entertainment. It's revolutionizing everything from virtual reality to medical imaging. So what's next? As these techniques evolve, we're not just getting better videos, we're building AI that understands the physical world. From lifelike animations to immersive simulations, the line between digital and reality is blurring faster than ever. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the future of AI isn't just about what it can do, it's about what it can learn to do. Thanks for watching. If you want more deep dives into the science behind AI's biggest breakthroughs, hit subscribe. And drop a comment: what's one thing you'd love to see AI create next? Let's keep the conversation going. The future is bright, and it's being built right now.